Okay, so in this lecture I'm going to solve this question. One of my student has asked this question to me, so let's have a look how we can solve such kind of questions. In this question, it is asking here the number of bits required to represent 57-digit decimal number. So 57-digit decimal number means a decimal number of 57 digit, right? So if I consider the largest possible number of 57 digit, it will be 57 times, let's say 9, 9999 dot 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 57 times, 57 times. This is the largest possible number in decimal system which will be having 57 digits. So the question is asking, when you want to convert this number into binary system, how many digits will be required? How many bits will be required in binary? So one thing, you can convert this number to have an idea into binary. That is a long approach. So if you do that, let's say if I use any online converter from decimal to binary, and let's check what value we will get. So let's use an online decimal to binary converter, and I am writing 957 times. So I have typed 957 times here, and the base value is 10 here. Now when we convert from decimal to binary, it will give you this pattern. So if you copy this pattern and try to find out how many number of bits are there, if you copy and paste here, so let's say I'm pasting somewhere in another screen. So when you count the number of ones, you will get the answer of this question. So let's check it. So we have entered this number 57 times 9, and we are getting this value as binary. So if you count it, so it is 190. So when we are counting these, we are getting the value as 190. But this is a long method. Such a long number, when we try to convert from decimal to binary and then start counting the digits, it is a very odd kind of approach. So let's discuss a shortcut how we can solve this question. So we are already aware about that in case of decimal system, when I write 10 to the power 3, it gives us 1000. The similar value in binary system we can get by having 2 to the power 10. So it will give you 1024, right? So if we compare like this in terms of number of digit, right, then in that case, in order to get 57 digit, there has to be this particular thing, you multiply 19 times. So 19 3 ja 57. Okay, so if you are multiplying this thing as 19 times, you need to multiply this thing as also 19 times. So this thing, like 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3, 19 times. So I'm saying 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 multiplied by dot 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 10 to the power 3 19 times. So here you are doing it 19 times. Once you do it 19 times, you will get 57 digit, because 10 to the power 3 will give you 4 digit, right? Then similarly this side, if you start multiplying this value 19 times, then you will get 2 to the power 190. So that means whatever the value in 57 digit you will get here, that will be requiring 190 bits to represent. So that means the answer for this question must be 190. I hope you got this answer. Thank you for connecting.